Hi, I'm Aiden. I'm a hardware reliability engineer here at Formlabs, and I'm here to show you how to use our cartridge shim for our Tough V2 line of resins. Some customers have been experiencing slow flow or failed to fill tank errors with these resins. That is due to the specific chemical composition of these resins, which occasionally causes the silicone bite valve to swell and lengthen upon exposure to these resins. So what this shim does is it simply allows the cartridge to sit higher up on the cartridge floor, such that the dispense arm presses on the bite valve in the desired location. Now I will demonstrate each step to installing the cartridge shim. So first, you want to make sure the vent cap is closed before you flip the cartridge over. And then what you're going to want to do is press on the bite valve to make sure that it opens and resin is able to flow through at all. To install the shim, you align it like so. You want to make sure that the rounded edges of the shim line up with the rounded edges of the bottom of the cartridge. You want these retention features to slot into the space around the bite valve, and you should feel it click into place, and then you can press down all the rest of the sides. And as long as you can see all 4 of these retaining features, and as long as it doesn't fall off, it should be good to go. This shim is printable on any Form 4 or Form 4L using any of our general purpose resins, tough resins, fast model. If for whatever reason you aren't able to print one, you can reach out to Formlabs support and we can send you one. Due to the shape of the underside of the cartridge, as you may have noticed, this shim has some thin features that are delicate, so we just ask that you be gentle when you insert it and remove it from the cartridge. In the event that these thin clip features here break during shipping or when removing from the build platform, like so, even if both of them break, you can still use the shim. You might just need to tape it in place, although sometimes it just still works. And with that, your Tough V2 cartridge should be ready to dispense properly. Hope that helps. Happy printing.